We're going to use Ujjayi breath, first of all in a movement and then in a short meditation. So just making sure you're still comfy, still sitting upright. I'm going to bring the fingertips down to the floor. Just watching your breath for a couple of breaths. And it's good to watch to start with if you haven't done this before. Once you know what we're doing, always close your eyes. Just listen, and that internalization will be very effective. So fingertips down to the floor. As we inhale, we're going to turn the palms upwards, lift the arms up towards the sky, meeting the palms overhead. Exhale, bringing the palms down through the midline, releasing back to the floor. Inhale, coming up, palms together, coming down through the midline. As you exhale, releasing. Inhaling all the way up, exhaling all the way down. So don't try and match my speed, go at whatever speed your breath takes you. And as you're doing it, aiming to maintain that Ujjayi breath. So constricting the back of the throat slightly. And continuously. So the throat's constricted on the inhale and the exhale. You get that sound of the ocean, audible just to you. So just two more. And allowing your hands to rest on your thighs. We're going to move into a meditation. So we're still going to maintain that Ujjayi breath, and we're going to do a so-hum meditation. So as we inhale, we repeat so. As we exhale, we repeat hum. So-hum translates to I am that. And sometimes we turned around, we say hum so, that I am. Just a very peaceful, easy, gentle meditation, very effective. Taking us back to the basics. I am that. That I am. So just checking into your posture. Make sure you haven't started slouching. Your shoulders are relaxed. You might like to bring those tip of the index finger and the thumb together and choose whether to have your palms down for grounding, palms up for openness and acceptance. And starting by just watching your breath going in and out through your nostrils. And taking your attention to the breath in the throat. And then aiming to get that constriction in the back of your throat, hearing that nice sound as the breath goes in and out. Being aware of your belly expanding and contracting with your breath. either eyes closed or gaze down. And starting to repeat on the inhale, so, on the exhale, hum. Inhaling, so, exhaling, hum. Throat constricted. Just gently. Belly expanding and contracting. Going to start to bring our attention back to the present moment. So keeping your eyes closed, but releasing that constriction in your throat, just allowing your breath to come back to a normal, relaxed breath. Just reminding yourself where you are, what you've been doing. Feeling your breath back in your nostrils. And listening for sounds around you. It's reminding yourself what time of day it is, what day of the week. Then opening your eyes. That completes this practice. Namaste.